Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can appeal when your Wise account is being blocked or closed. So first, here is a statement from Wise about why accounts get shut down. So there are numbers of reasons why they might need to close your account. So they will close your account when they believe that you go against your agreement with them. So you can always check the terms of use and acceptable use policy for your region. So they can tell you the specific reasons why they close your account, and customer support doesn't have the ability to view the reason. So if your account was closed where you still have access to your money, you can learn more here. So you can just visit thewise.com and then go to their help home. So some examples why they close your account include it's a duplicate of another, so you can only have one personal Wise account, and also with its security has been compromised. So now on how you can appeal with that. So if you're not happy with them with their decision to close your account, you can appeal it. So once you make an appeal, they will let you know if they have reviewed your case and what other steps that you can take. So making an appeal doesn't mean they will automatically change their decision. So you can learn about making an appeal. So their customer support team is here to help, but they can't give you any more details about why they are closing your account. So they don't have access to this information. So they might ask you for more information and for your bank account details. So these details should be from a bank outside of Wise where they can refund your money. So they will do their best to let you know the status and timeline, and the time it takes for them to review it vary. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!